What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Fish Quack TV. Today we are going to be chasing some smallmouth out on the Columbia River, and it is summer, the middle of July, so it's hot. You know, fish move out to the deeper waters, so we're gonna try to find them in the shallows and throw out deep and see what we run into. Kind of a let's see what we can catch kind of day, because we're gonna try to get into some big ones, but we don't know what's gonna happen. So anyway, stay tuned, and it is coming up right after this. Boom. Oh, you want a picture?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Shoot him. Shoot him. Bait.
Oh, dang. There's a lot of marks here. That hook set, yeah. That was way too aggressive for the hook. Ooh. Oh. Oh, he's a lot bigger than I thought.
What are you using?
What I was using was a Kitech swim bait.
You took it off?
Yeah, the birch color. He threw it right there. Little guy.
Get him, Ruck.
He's a lot bigger than I thought, actually. I thought he was a tiny one when he jumped. But here we go.
Right on the drop, huh?
Yep.
That was quick.
Got a lot of marks here. Oh, dang. Got smokes. There we go. Yep. First one of the day. Hopefully they get bigger.
First cast, that's not good.
Yeah. Oh, they get bigger. Get a release on this side. He disappeared. I waited too late, guys, on that one. I got a little too cocky. There we go. Ready? You missed him again. Dang. He took my tail. The one that provides all the action. Well, let's see if we try to catch something off this. Well, this type of a little Ned rig, kind of. Got him. Oh, I found the little guy. He's right here. This is probably the little guy that took my tail. Little tiny little guy. Barely fits on the camera. I knew it was a rat. It was a snaky. Alright. Let's toss him back. It was a little snaky. go. About time.
Another one. Come here. On the Guggen bait Slim Shake.
Oh. Same side as the other one.
Get a release. There it goes. Oh! Okay.
You ain't Dylan?
Finally. The old chartreuse grub. Skunks out of the boat. I know what it feels like to catch a fish. It's been a while. What's up, guys? So wind is getting kind of crazy. Boat's taking on a bunch of water that we got to figure out. So we did get a few fish, and unfortunately we can't stay out here very much longer because this is getting crazy. And this is not how the weather app said it was gonna be, but as we all know, it's not always accurate. So unfortunately, we're just gonna have to call it a day with the few fish that we caught. But thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in to another episode of Fish Quack TV. Stay tuned until next time. What's up, guys? So it's literally like night and day out here on this side. We found us on the way back to our launch, about where we launched. It's about like 10 minutes from where we were on boat, and it's like night and day, like crazy. You can't even tell that there's 3-footers and 4-footers coming this way. So we're gonna change it up a little bit, see if we can get on a good bite. Not so sure how many fish we're gonna catch on this side, because that spot is our favorite. It's juicy, has all the juice. So anyways, we'll see what happens.
Freaking tuna, bro. Freaking sink. Little Slim Shake is longer than he is. Look at this. That Slim Shake is probably just as long as he is. Little poor guy. Let him go. He was fooled once again.
Dang, that thing's, there's a fish busting right there. I wonder if it's a bass. Only one way to find out. Oh, got him. There we go. Ooh. These smallmouth are aggressive. Oh, it's a good size. Oh, he just spit up a craw. Not bad. Ooh. Aggressive little dude. Spit up a craw on his way up. So I guess we should be throwing crawdads, but we're not. So
I'm doing just fine on the Slim Shake. I'm doing just fine on anything but the crawl. JK. That guy's going for some walleye probably. Here we go. I murdered this little guy. Googan bait monsters. I know. I can murder them with the AP hook set. Again, did the squat and everything. Take a quick picture. Hey, we're good. It's all about the angle.
Ooh, it's hot right here.
It's really warm, huh?
Oh, humid and stuff. Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh, monster.
Biggin. Oh yeah.
Call to 1-800 book.
If you want to catch, I don't have a scale, but if I were to guesstimate, I would say at least 7 pounds. Catch and release. I kind of want to throw on the popper. I might actually. Let's see if. Shut up! On the drop, dude. On the drop. Oh, this is a good one, dude. I got it. This was gonna bust, dude. It's right here.
Oh!
Right on the drop. He's okay. Oh, biggest one of the day.
Definitely not.
Definitely.
No, my first one was bigger. Not too bad.
Get a nice zoom in shot. Oh my god. Woo! Back-to-back fish. So we had to escape the nasty weather that was coming our way, which is still coming our way, but we got ahead of it. This one I literally just tossed it. As soon as it fell, I went to reel it and the guy already had it. Oh. Anyways, quick release. Whoop! Well, ran out of my favorite catching bait. Time to put on the smallmouth magic and see if the name is true or not.
Hey, can you find out?
We always go through them quick though. We need to make a color We need to make that color for our own swim baits. Buy the mold. So it's like a chartreuse with red specks. Pretty deadly combo. Yeah. Got him. Oh yeah. Smallmouth magic. Oh crap. Woo. All right. Oh my goodness. Well, we avoided disaster. Lost my favorite bait. Smallmouth magic. Still got it. These are all tiny, by the way. Not what we're looking for. But when you haven't caught fish in like 2 weeks, feels good. You know where it came off, Eli? I was stuck on some rocks or grass, and then I pulled it off. Oh my god, I just missed one. Yeah, I just heard it. It's our good luck right now. Oh, it's on that rock. It's all camoed. Oh, got one.
Double.
Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. This one was aggressive, bro. Oh my goodness.
Dude, look at this guy.
Oh. Let's go. Dude, this one was crazy aggressive. Oh my word.
Get on my level, bro. Stop him pretty high.
Didn't have the scale. What would you say yours is? He like at least 8 pounds.
He's breaking out.
Got that double. Woo! Yeah, double release. I woke up at 4:30. I get in the house. I'm like, Dad, get up. He's like, oh, here's another one. Oh my goodness, I didn't even get to set the hook on this. This one might be pretty good. It hasn't jumped. You want to record? Oh my goodness. If I see it and I lose it, it might be ticked. Didn't even get to set the hook. It just took it in. Oh, oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good fish.
Is it a good fish?
Yeah. Biggest of the day. Oh my god. Oh, okay, I freaked out.
Damn,
it looked
bro.
bigger than.
We're exaggerating.
It looked.
We're exaggerating.
It looked bigger than that. Oh.
That's a good
It's
one.
a solid 2.
That's a good one.
Biggest of the day for sure.
I'll give it to you. Oh, got a little water on the camera. So you know it's fine.
Man, 2? No, 1.5.
Nah, 1. Yeah.
1.5. 1.5. Oh, dude, just can't keep them off. Smallmouth magic. Middle of July. It's hot. Grass is growing everywhere. We found some rocks, like lots of rocks with hardly any vegetation, and they're hammering it. Release. Man, that thing was aggressive. All right. Might as well end it on a good note. Huh? No, end it on a. We almost died now. Hey, Rocky. You ready, bud? Huh? 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 Can you smile? Can you smile? Can you smile? Well, you can't really see the whitecaps on here. But here comes that storm and those rollers.
Here comes the rollers. It's time to go.
You ready to go, Eli?
I'm ready to go.
Why you not trying to?
I'm not trying to die.
You're not trying to fish in the ocean?
I'm not trying to dive straight into those waves. Nose dive.
Well, we are out of here finally. We caught a bunch of fish like in a matter of not even an hour. We caught what? I would you say like 10 fish, like back to back to back to back. It was just crazy. So I'm sure you saw that by now. But we have been dodging this windstorm that's coming in. That's gonna be here for all week. Over here is actually gonna pick up to 20 miles an hour, and it's gonna be like that all week. So I'm glad we got it. We're able to come out here early before all the wind started, but the wind's here and it's getting crazy. So we're gonna dip out before we have to, go windsurfing. And we're trying to end on a good note. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, see you guys. It'd be good for jet skiing though. You can't even see them that good.